People have split opinions on the 2024 BMW X7's polarizing split headlight face, but those who can look past it will see what we see: the best full-size luxury SUV money can buy. And a 2024 Editor's Choice Award winner. While money is less of an object to folks who can afford the X7's nearly $83,000 base price, affluent families who need abundant cargo capacity and a roomy third row should know they'll find neither on this bimmer. Instead, it boasts the most sure-footed handling in the class as well as excellent engines, from the silky 375 horsepower straight-six to the almighty 630 horsepower twin-turbo V8 that's reserved for the ultra-luxe Alpina XB7. No matter what's under the hood, all-wheel drive and an air suspension are standard. The latter helps deliver a cloud-like ride, which contributes to the cabin's serene nature. A slew of state-of-the-art features and truly luxurious materials ensure the 2024 X7 exceeds expectations. What else would you expect from the best? Fresh off a refresh for the previous model year, the 2024 BMW X7 doesn't receive any major changes. Among the smaller tweaks are newly optional crystal headlights and an illuminated kidney grille. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package now includes a semi-autonomous drive mode called Highway Assistant, which allows hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on compatible roadways. The price of the 2024 BMW X7 starts at $82,895 and goes up to $150,395 depending on the trim and options. Even with our fondness for the twin-turbo V8's horsepower and noteworthy performance, we'd recommend the X7 Drive40i. It has desirable standard features that include 4-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, power-adjustable front seats with memory settings, heated front seats, a power tailgate, and more. We'd also add one of the Vernasca leather upholstery choices in the premium package that includes a head-up display, gesture controls, and soft-close doors. The entry-level X7 Drive40i is powered by a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline six-cylinder, and the M60i has a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that makes 523 horses. The Alpina XB7 has a specially tuned version of that V8, which develops 630 horsepower. All three engines pair with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. The racy-looking M60i model we tested managed to hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, but the Drive40i wasn't far behind, hitting the same speed in just 4.6 seconds. Every X7 rides on an air suspension with adaptive dampers, and the chassis can be further enhanced with the available rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars that reduce body motions. Both features are standard on the M60i, which has a sportier suspension setup by default. Handling is surprisingly light for a large SUV, and the X7 steering is accurate and nicely weighted. The smallest wheels on the X7 measure 21 inches in diameter, but BMW now also offers 23 inches for the first time. On the big rollers, though, the X7's ride quality takes a hit. The 2024 x7 is most efficient when it's equipped with the standard inline six. That Drive40i model received EPA ratings of 21 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. Going with the V8-powered M60i model will mean hitting the pump more often, as that model is rated for 16 miles per gallon city and 21 miles per gallon highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, the M60i we tested surprised us with a 23 miles per gallon result. For more information about the X7's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Inside, the X7's dashboard is dominated by a massive digital display that's slightly curved. The panel boasts a 12.3-inch gauge cluster for the driver and a 14.9-inch touchscreen that the infotainment system operates through. Plenty of luxury features can be found inside as well, including heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, and ambient interior lighting. However, we were irritated by how slowly the power operated. Second-row captain's chair moved when trying to let people in and out of the third row. Likewise, the way-back seats aren't especially roomy for adults during prolonged drives. Still, no one will complain about the X7's ample interior cubby storage. While we only managed to fit 3 carry-on suitcases behind the third row, we fit 33 total with all the back seats stowed. The X7's iDrive infotainment system operates through a 14.9-inch touchscreen that's housed in the curved glass panel atop the dash. The system can also be operated by a large rotary knob on the center console as well as through gesture controls that are more gimmicky than useful. Along with a Wi-Fi hotspot subscription required, every X7 is available with BMW's digital key, which allows users to control vehicle functions remotely via a smartphone app. A more powerful Harman/card in stereo and wireless charging are optional features. Every X7 has an assortment of standard driver assistance technology in addition to several more advanced options. For more information about the X7's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, standard lane departure warning. BMW offers a competitive limited and powertrain warranty that is bolstered by above-average complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.